Picture this, a 60-second prompt that turns a jumble of Stripe records, PayPal notifications, and messy bank CSVs into a Visa-ready monthly income packet you can hand to a consulate.
Curious. Wait, seriously? That sounds too tidy.
Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 100. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll see the exact stack and prompts that make this real and why Nomad should care.
Love that. Tell me, are we talking about a single magic prompt or a workflow that actually holds up when things go sideways?
Good question. The 60-second prompt is the brain. The LLM labels and normalizes each raw row. Around that brain, you run a tight stack. Webhooks capture payments, a no-code orchestrator routes files, an exchange rate API converts amounts by date, a PDF generator compiles packets, and an encrypted vault stores everything. Short version, you end up with a reconciled ledger, a one-page monthly income statement formatted for Visa or client review, and a zip of source files, invoices, receipts, bank exports, all timestamped and encrypted.
Okay, concrete inputs and outputs. Say it fast. What do listeners need to feed the system?
Inputs: exported bank CSVs, Stripe or PayPal webhook events, client invoices, and any manual receipts. Outputs: a canonical ledger in Airtable or Google Sheets, a monthly one-page income statement PDF, a packet of source PDFs, and a summary JSON for bookkeeping.
So the sheet is your single source of truth. Makes audits easier.
Exactly. And you don't need to code this from scratch. Use Make or Zapier for orchestration, Airtable or Google Sheets as the ledger, an LLM like OpenAI for labeling, ExchangeRate.host for date-specific FX, PDFmonkey or DocuPilot for PDFs, and encrypted cloud storage for the vault.
Quick interruption. ExchangeRate.host is free and returns historic rates, right? That's crucial for audits.
Right. Use date-specific rates so your reconciliation matches bank statements. Now, let's walk through the exact implementation order so listeners can actually build it. Step 1. Map CSV fields into a sheet. Create columns like received at, payment provider, raw amount, raw currency, invoice ID, payer email, notes. Here it is, paste ready. Label these rows by client, service, invoice ID, date, amount, currency. Assign income category, e.g. consulting, product, royalty, and write a Visa-friendly description limited to 120 characters suitable for a consulate. Return JSON with fields client name, service, invoice ID, date, amount, currency, category, Visa description, confidence score.
Nice. Include confidence score, and you can triage low confidence rows. People should build a review queue for anything below, say, 0.85.
Exactly. Human in the loop is non-negotiable. Next, currency conversion. Call ExchangeRate.host with the transaction date. Prompt example. Convert X currency to USD using ExchangeRate.host rates on date. Return converted amount, rate source, original amount. Store the source rate row alongside the converted amount so auditors can see the math.
And then the PDF generator compiles everything into a one-page monthly statement?
Yes, final prompt for the PDF. Create a one-page monthly income statement summarizing verified invoices, totals per client, total USD, and reconciliation notes. Include a signed line prepared by your name on date and list source file names. The PDF should reference the JSON summary and the source file list so a consulate or accountant can verify the chain.
Pause. I want to push back earlier than we did before. Isn't this just hiding the mess until tax time? What if the labels are wrong and you hand over an incorrect packet?
Great point. You must prevent that by design. Include these safeguards. Store original source files. Tag low confidence rows for review. Run a monthly human audit and keep an approval flag before the PDF compiles. And for tax classifications, always consult a local accountant before relying on automated classifications for official filings.
Also, for currency rounding errors, include the rate used and a rounding.tolerance column. If totals differ by more than the tolerance, flag the month for manual reconciliation.
Yes, include a reconciliation row, original amount, converted amount, rate source, rounding difference. That makes audits trivial and defends you in visa interviews.
Let's talk value. how does this actually create income for a nomad?
2 ways. 1, you save hours per month. That time buys you client outreach or product improvements. 2, you productize the system. Offer monthly proofs as a service or a bookkeeping retainer. The automations make your cost to serve low while perceived value, vetted visa-ready packets, is high.
And a recurring fee for trusted, audited packets is easy to sell to remote professionals who need steady proof of income.
Exactly. You can scale this as a lightweight service. Templates, a small monthly fee, and an SLA to deliver the packet by a set date each month.
Quick, immediate step for listeners? Something actionable in 5 minutes?
Do this now. Grab 3 recent payment CSVs from your providers. Open the episode template at nomadlifesuccess.com/episode-templates. Drop those CSVs into the template columns I described and run the labeling prompt in an LLM playground. If the JSON outputs look coherent, call exchangerate.host for those dates and generate 1 PDF page with the template. That 5-minute audit shows you where the mess is and what needs manual tagging.
And if you hit mixed currencies or weird vendor names, mark them as review and keep moving. The goal is a working pipeline, not perfection on day 1.
Before we close, if you want hands-on help, my course walks you through wiring the whole Nomad income vault with templates, Slack support, and a live setup session where we build it using your real CSVs. Enroll at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses and get the starter pack and one-click Zapier make starter.
Start small, test with 3 files, keep a monthly audit, and design review gates. The human plus AI advantage only works when you build those checks.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses and run the 5-minute audit with the episode template now.
See you tomorrow. And bring 3 CSVs.